All right, so let's say that you want to replace your flooring. Let's say you have carpet and you want to put either vinyl plank flooring or whatever you want to put. You want to upgrade it. Even if you want to change out the carpet, you want to put new carpet. Well, guess what? They will charge you to rip out the old stuff. Carpet's so easy to rip out. I'm going to show you today how to rip it out yourself. All right, let's get started. So what I like to use is a utility knife. Since I'm working by myself today, the videos are a little different. I'm holding the camera and working. So I'm not going to be able to exactly cut the carpet and video, but I want to show you utility knife, razor blade. You want to be careful. Obviously these are very sharp. And so what you'll do is put pressure here and try to just cut all the way across. You might have to cut a few times across. And then, go over. And then after we cut it, I'll show you, you can pull it up pretty easily off the tack strip. And then what we'll do is come over in another spot and probably cut it right across here. And that way, once we pulled it up off the tack strip, we'll be able to roll it up and either haul it off or set it out for trash. Okay, so as you can see, I cut the carpet with the utility knife there and there. And what I'll do is roll it up this way, and then there's pad underneath it, and I'll roll it up as well. Let me show you. See the pad underneath it? So we'll roll them both up. It's easier to carry and take to the dumpster or whatever it is that you want to do with it. So this is the tack strip. Yes, you'll notice I'm wearing gloves because those are like little tacks sticking up. That's why it's called tack strip. And it holds down the carpet, so you want to make sure you're careful. And then this is the pad. So I'm going to roll this up, and then I'm going to roll the pad up. And then, since we're putting hard flooring in here, I'm going to get the tack strip up, and I'll show you how to do that. So I decided to leave the pad down for now since we're painting. It's a little softer on your feet than standing on concrete, so hey, why not, right? Anyway, you just take this flat bar right here. Got a flat bar. That's what it looks like, and a hammer. And we'll just put the flat bar underneath here, and then tap it in with the hammer, well, right in front of the nail, and then just pry up and so on, and it'll pop that right up. Did I mention to wear safety glasses when you do this? Yeah. Concrete, dust, dirt, debris flies up. Did I bring safety glasses today? No, I did not. But I brought my handy sunglasses. Is it a little dark in here? Yeah, it is. Here's my blooper video. Don't hit your hand with the hammer because the hammer will win. Okay, after you take the pad up and the tack strip, you can sweep this floor and it'll be ready for your new flooring. If you had pets or for some reason there's an odor, you could, after you sweep it, take a mop and some pine sol, something like that, and clean it up. It'll help take the smell out. But either way, you'll definitely want to sweep the floor and get it ready for whatever type of flooring you're putting down. Now, if you're putting carpet down, again, before you pull the tack strip up, you might want to ask the installers if they want you to leave the old tack strip or not. Otherwise, they're going to charge you for putting new tack strip down. So that concludes this video. Good luck installing your new floor.